Well, I have been an Interwood customer since years. I got my lounge made from them. I always come here for the accessories they have to offer, and I'm recently getting my kitchen made from them. But today I'm here to check out their workspaces and see all the collection that they have in store. So why don't you guys come along with me and let's take a look. Well, I think that's a very relative question to one's own style. There are a lot of different kind of styles that are out there. For example, let's say minimal, chic, hobo, rustic, Scandinavian. What I like the most is minimal because I like spacious. I like it to be clean and clutter-free, because when the space is clutter-free, the mind is clutter-free, and then you can work aram se, do whatever you want to do. So I think that's the most important thing that I look at when I'm doing my workspace. So furniture definitely is the most important factor that you need to consider when you're doing your spaces. And furniture is also very important because it defines the function, it defines the movement, it defines the visual weight and balances it. So what exactly do I mean when I say that it balances out the visual weight? Is that for example, you have this room, this lounge, and you just put all the furniture on one side, it's going to look very weird, right? So you want to spread it out in a way that it looks good. And also the last thing, but the most important thing, it reflects your personal style. Yes, of course, I absolutely love this Eva lounge chair that Interwood has to offer. I love the style that they have it in. I mean, it's unique, it's different, and it also gives a touch of modern because I love the stand. It doesn't take so much of the space. It's easy also because you can clean. I'm someone who's a clean freak, so I really need to make sure about these things. And the style is amazing. It is also multi-purpose, so it's not just something that you want to just keep it in your workspace, but you can also keep it in the lounge. And for all the boss ladies out there, this one's perfect for you. I also love their retro telephone pod. The material is super nice and chic. I love how it is so nicely made that it doesn't take much of the space. And for example, you're working with a lot of different people and you want your privacy, or you want to take up a call or something, you can just go inside this pod, sit and take your call like this. And the good thing about this is it does have noise reduction, so you have that sense of privacy inside. And if you also feel like just rotating and just being away from the crowd, you can just like rotate it and be away from it. So it's like a rotating pod that's super nice and chic at the same time. So it's not going to compromise on your style. If you come here on this side, so stools are super important and a pop of color never hurts. So they have a wide range of colors that you can look into, from neutrals to poppy colors. And the best thing about these stools are they are super lightweight. So it's easy to carry around and just put it anywhere you want to keep it. So this is something that is very important, because someone comes, you just quickly grab a stool, just throw it there for them to sit. And also it is multi-purpose because you can, it's not just for the workspace, but you can also use it somewhere else. So these are some of the things that Interwood has to offer, and why don't you guys come along and check it. Before you're doing your spaces, think what you really want to do, create a mood board, and if there's something you like somewhere else, don't think that that same thing is going to look nice in your space. You know, it might not. So you really need to think about your own space, your walls and everything, and then make a decision. And also remember, less is more. So the less things you have, the more you can creatively play around with it and create a room that is, you're going to love it. So that's something to keep in mind.